Is Microsoft Edge using too much RAM and slowing down your PC? Try these simple fixes to reduce memory usage and improve performance. Method 1. Open up Edge, click on this three dot icon and select Settings. On left side, select System and Performance. Select Startup Boost and turn off this Startup Boost and continue running background extensions and apps when Edge is closed. Just turn this off. Once you've done this, close stuff here and open up Task Manager. And now you will never see Microsoft Edge running in the background. This is enough for most users. For the people who willing to uninstall Microsoft Edge, you can do it. Going to settings and go to installed apps. You can't uninstall Edge simply like this. To uninstall this, you need to go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. Click on open it. In search, type WinToy. Click on the WinToys app. Say get option. Select the open option once the install done. Select take control of your system option and select this banner icon and expand the system. Scroll down and find this Digital Markets Act. Turn this on. Once you're done, you need to restart your PC for the changes take effect. Action required restart. Just close stuff here and restart your PC. And now go to search menu and type settings. Go to apps. Go to install apps. Type Edge. Click on the three dot icon next to Microsoft Edge and you can able to uninstall the Microsoft Edge. Select the uninstall option and select yes. And now we have successfully uninstalled the Microsoft Edge. And if you want to install it back, just search Google Chrome and type Microsoft Edge download. Select the first official site, then select download Edge for Windows option. Once download done, click on the setup and install the Microsoft Edge. By following these fixes, you can reduce Microsoft Edge's RAM usage and enjoy a faster, smoother browsing experience. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.